Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Ayuda, grabe pasabog Don Bell watching Moana. After their asa, Belle had a block screening for Moana and Donnie is there. This couple has their own ways. Oh my goodness! Lord with flowers bayan ang magjowa!